actually stuck up with some work. You carry on.
Hey, every day you're leaving very late. At least today you go early.
Yeah, I'll try to leave early.
Okay. You take care. Bye.
Okay, sure. Yeah, take care. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Good night.
Yeah.
Hi Neha. I see you every night sitting in the office till very late. Don't you have friends? Don't you feel like talking to your roommates? You should not sit very late in the office. This is a genuine advice from me. Thanks, Rahul Mehra.
Rahul Mehra. Who is he to give me an advice?
Hi gorgeous. Yes, today you are looking very gorgeous in the black dress. I know you don't read my mail as you don't like the advice I gave you. So, today I won't give you any advice. I will just say that I'm in love with you. You know, you are very beautiful, and if you take care of yourself, many men will fall in love with you. I am sure someday you will also fall in love with me, and then we will go for a date. Oh, before I end the mail, I must tell you that the best thing about is that your smile. Take care, dear. Love you. After reading the mail, she was shocked. A person she had never met, never seen, never spoke to was saying that he was in love with her. She started thinking, was this always in his mind? How did he get her ID? Where did he see her? Many questions like this came in her mind. Finally, she thought of giving a warning and reply to them his mail. Hi Rahul. I don't want to spoil your career, but if you don't stop sending me mails, I will raise an ASHA against you. Thanks and regards. Neha. Hi gorgeous. With your closed eyes, you are dreaming about me, right? Oh, sorry for not sending any emails the last few days. I was a little busy. I'm sure you would have missed me a lot. One more thing, before I forgot, I wanted to say that I'm not scared of ASHI. An ASHI can't be a reason to stop loving you. Love you. Hi gorgeous. Now stop playing with your hair and leave the office. It's very late. You have started falling in love with me. Love you. Hi Neha, don't be scared of me. I can say that you are scared of me because of the way you ran out from the office last time you read my mail. I know, few minutes back you have gone to have coffee. You are thinking, how I know this because I can feel you around me. Only once you also start feeling me, you will know that I am near to you. Very near. Just sitting next to you. I will wait for the night when you start having the same feeling for me. Will always love you. Start. Hi Neha. Do you feel bad if I call you gorgeous? Love you. Point noted, Neha. But when I am happy and excited, I would call you with some special names at the time. Tomorrow you have your certifications, so all the best for that.
How does he know about my certification? I haven't told him about it.
I know it because I'm in front of you.
Go back.
Can't you see me? Can't you feel me close to you? I also know that after 3 days you have your appraisal. Now, this you have not told to anyone. Just your PM knows about it. Do you think your PM will give me all these details?
I don't think my manager would be telling him about it. I think I should talk to him tomorrow. Can I come in? Hi Rohan, good morning.
Good morning, Neha.
Actually, I'm here to talk to you about something.
Yeah, please be seated. Do you have any issues?
No, I don't have any issues, but I'm here to find out about a person named Rahul Mehra.
How did you know his name? Has anyone discussed with you about him?
Nobody has told me about him, but from a couple of days I'm receiving mails from him. Initially I've ignored them, but later he started telling me things which I've done few minutes ago also. And he even knows about my appraisal date.
Are you sure you are getting mails from Rahul Mehra?
Yes, very much. But why do you seem to be so shocked about it?
See, Neha, Rahul Mehra died 2 years back and he used to sit the same place currently where you are sitting. How can a dead person send an email to you? If you don't believe me, you can try finding his name in the telephone directory. Maybe someone told you about his name and due to work stress, you are imagining that he is sending mails to you.
Yes, very much. But why do you seem to be so shocked about it?
Okay, Neha, I believe you. But I think you need some break. Go home and take a rest. Hi, Neha.
Hi Rohan.
I've seen your emails. I think by mistake his ID not yet been deleted. Someone who knows about it is playing around with you.
Yeah, I've also verified his details in the telephone directory, but there were no records found.
Okay, then talk to the network people and let's see what they will say.
Okay, I'll talk to them.
Scroll down, scroll down. How come it's personal?
You have to talk to him about this.
Yeah, we have checked the Neha machine, and we colleagues are receiving and getting the mails from same machine.
How is it possible? Yeah, we are also like same shock. Like, how is this possible? We checked everything. There is no remote desktop connection made.
You have checked the antivirus and malware. Those are up to date.
Okay, fine guys. We'll check later and thanks for the updates.
Thank you.
Hi Neha, good to see you that you left the office early yesterday. I know Rohan told you about my death. I was also a workaholic like you. I would sit late in the office even when no one was around me. I just being at office. I had no friends, no social life. Even on weekends I would used to come to office. I missed all my fun in my life. Even my death happened at office while I was working. My dead body was found by the housekeeping guy and the security guard at the reception. I took a lot of work stress which my conscious mind could not bear that day. Now you know why I am not scared of ASHI. But yes, if I was alive, then also I won't be scared of ASHI because I have really fallen in love with you. But we haven't been together until your death. Now the choice is yours, whether you will kill yourself on your own or whether I need to do the honor. Waiting for your death. Love you always. Rahul Mehra.